Hi, we are located on 2643 North Burling in Chicago, Illinois, and we're gonna check the sub pump, which is here underneath the cover. There is a cord supply. What we have here, it's manufactured in 2013 model, brand Zoller. Actually, it's a good brand. So first of all, I will unplug it and I will check if we have a power in the outlet. Green light, it means indicate correct. One more time, green light, correct. If we have something wrong, there will be like a red lights and other problems, but we have correct. Another thing, we have to remove the cover. So, and there are several screws. You can do it really quick. Okay. Let's see. So there is a pit with the sub pump. Apparently it is completely dry, which means that area is dry, but we can test it anyway. So the thingy is a float switch. If the water show up and like it will rise, the switch should turn on the pump. I'm plugging it back, and actually I shouldn't run it dry, but I can test it. So if I push up the float, the pump should buzz, and if there is a water, it will start to pump. But let's see. Okay, we can hear buzzing sound. One more time. Right, but let's test it with water. Let me bring some water here and we'll physically see that the pump can suck the water and push it out.